Today we are looking at the Oraimo UltraCleaner S Cordless vacuum cleaner. This was very kindly sent out to me. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. If I am able to get a discount code, I will link that in the description box below as well. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. You get an instruction booklet in different languages. The writing in there, it's really small. A charger, because I'm in the UK, mine is a 3-pin one. Some screws and wall plugs. A cleaning tool. That end has a little blade there. If you get any hair caught up around the brush bar, you could use that. That's to clean the bin or the head. A spare filter, a storage bracket, a dusting brush, quite soft them. It's all a push fit system. A nice size crevice tool. The tools can be used on the wand or on the main body. Just show you the wand it fit on. Just get the body. Again, the head can be used directly on the body as well to do your stairs. This is a 2200 mAh battery. There's a power on off button, a battery indicator there. That's to release the battery. That's what it looks like from there. Information at the bottom. At the back, a charging port, and then a mode selector there. So by default, it will be in standard mode where you get 35 minutes. And when you push that, it will go into boost mode where you get around 16 minutes. The wand is extendable, so you could adjust it according to your size. Just push that down, grab it from there. It locks into place. The floor head, they're fairly soft them. So if you do hit into your skirting boards, they will get scratched. 3 LEDs. The cleaner does stand up by itself. Just swivel. It's got some charge points there because this head has its own independent motor, 15 watts. 2 little wheels at the back. That's felt. Some more felt there. 2 little wheels at the front. That's soft. That's fairly stiff. So it should be good on hard floors and carpet. To clean the brush bar, you can see it's got them arrows there. Just push that and pull that out. That all can be cleaned as well. And it would only go back in one way. Okay, the main body. Okay, to put the battery in, you could see it has that extra part there. That would go in first and then it pushes down. And to release the battery, it says there, battery eject. Just push that back and pull up. You could charge the battery while it's on the body, or you could charge the battery separate. Just turn it on. It has 2 bars remaining. A max line there. To empty the container, it says there, press. That shroud can be removed. That's where the filter is. You just twist it towards the left and it's removed. That's where the filter is. You could wash the shroud and the filter, but make sure they're completely dry before you put them back in the cleaner. The filter fits in there. Just show you the inside of the bin. That's what it looks like. Then we push the shroud in and twist it towards the right. Make sure it's secure and close that. Okay, as I mentioned before, you could use the tools either on the body or on the wand. Just put that down. Yeah, I need to charge the battery. Okay, let's start putting this together. So we have the floor head here. There's the wand. that's it. It is fully assembled. Just turn it on. See the battery indicator there, the lights on the head. I've put down some lentils, green tea and some rice. I'll be using the cleaner in normal mode. It's brought back a few lentils, but to be fair, I did put down quite a bit. Okay, I'll just pick the rest of this up and then we'll move over to carpet. Again, I'll be putting down the same stuff. I don't need to use boost mode on this floor. However, I will use boost mode on this side just so you know how it picks up, and you'll hear the pitch get slightly higher as well. That's in boost mode now. It's performed a lot better, but do bear in mind that the floor head at the bottom there, if you look, it is quite wide from there because this does stand up by itself. So that's why it's brought a few lentils back in the normal mode, but in boost mode it's done a lot better. I'll just show you the bin. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I like how light this cleaner is. I really like how slim the head is. It's really good to get under low furniture. Okay, I've put down the same stuff. Again, I'll be using the cleaner in normal mode first, and then I will demonstrate in boost mode as well. That's picked everything up in one pass. On this side, I will use the cleaner in boost mode. Just to show you the bin. See that, yeah. Picked it. There we are, that was a quick demonstration of the Oraimo UltraCleaner S cordless stick vacuum cleaner. In my opinion, this is a really good cleaner. It's light, so if you're elderly or if you have any arthritis or any issues with your hands or arms, this would be a really good cleaner. I like the size on the floor head because it has a low profile. It's good to go under low furniture. Build quality is okay. It is a bit plasticky, but that sort of reflects in the price. I have managed to get a discount code, which is linked in the description box below. Only one concern I have, when you use the cleaner in boost mode, the battery does go down quite quickly. However, in my time in using the cleaner, I did not need to use boost mode a lot. That was only when there was a lot of dirt in front of me, then I had to go in boost mode. But it picks it up really quickly anyway, so you don't need to stay in boost mode for a longer time. The good thing about this cleaner, the battery is replaceable. So if Oraimo do start selling spare batteries, you could have one battery fully charged and waiting while you use one, and then you could just swap the other one over, because you don't need to put the whole cleaner on charge. You could just charge the battery by itself, which is another good feature on this cleaner. For the price, this is a really good cleaner. You can't go wrong. I will link it down below. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.